Hello and welcome to this first lecture of the new section on leveraging technology for automation and efficiency in this course, Master in Revenue Cycle Management. So, in this particular section, we will talk about how to leverage technology for automation and efficiency that can help you implement RCM excellence in your organization. And we will begin by talking about one of the things that you need to do is to implement RCM software. So how can you implement RCM software is the theme of this lecture. So let's take a broader look at how to leverage technology for automation and efficiency. Are there any things other than RCM software that we need to implement? Any thoughts? So, to leverage technology for automation and efficiency, there are three things you need to do. And one thing that we talked to you already in the beginning of this lecture was to implement RCM software. In addition to that, you need to use artificial intelligence and machine learning, and what to do and how to do, we will talk about in the next lecture when we talk. Uh, and third would be to deploy the predictive analytics. So, these are the three things. So let's take a look at implementing RCM software, right? So how do you think you can go ahead and implement RCM software? Any thoughts? So what you need to do is to invest in a comprehensive RCM software. Don't make a compromise there. It should be a full length covering the entire cycle, the software's your process that you have, and invest in such a software that will automate various aspects of the revenue cycle, right from patient registration to insurance verification to claim submission and payment posting. So all the steps of the process should be covered by this RCM software. Choose a system in addition to that integrates with your EHR healthcare record system if you have, and that will help you improve the accuracy. Now, how to do this? Let's take a look at the various steps that you need to take, right? So, first step is to identify specific RCM processes that you need to automate and assess. And there you need to assess the current pain points, and the typical priorities could include things like claim processing, where you could automate claim submissions, scrubbing, and tracking; denial management, where you can automate the flagging and managing denied claims, and enhancing the pre-registration, insurance verification, eligibility tracking in patient access, and streamlining payment billing, patient billing, and payment posting and collections in the payments and collection part of the process. And also you could look at real-time insights into KPIs like days AR, denial rates, and collections in the analytics and reporting part of your process. Now, this assessment of what you need, where are your pain points, will clarify what features are essential and help narrow down choices for you for the right RCM software. So that's how you can define your RCM needs and priorities, right? Then what you need to do is to evaluate EHR integration requirements. Now, an RCM system that operates and integrates with your existing EHR system will help ensure seamless data flow between the clinical and financial operations. Now, when you evaluate these integration needs, you need to check for three things. Ensure that RCM software is compatible with your EHR provider. This may involve looking into RCM vendors known for integrating with your specific EHR systems. Confirm that RCM systems offer real-time syncing with EHR data for accurate and up-to-date payment information, coding, and billing details, and ensure that the systems meets the HIPAA and other data security standards, as patient financial and clinical data will need to be stored and processed in a secure manner. So evaluate your EHR integration requirements in this manner. Then you identify key software, RCM software requirements, the features that you need. So look for a robust set of features to automate or streamline and optimize the revenue cycle task. So what could be these features? So this could be features like in automated claim management, you could have things like claim scrubbing, pre-submission checks, tracking, automatic follow-up on unpaid claims. In denial management, you could have tools like tools that flag rejections, provide denial reasons, and guide staff on resubmission. In eligibility verification, you could have an automated insurance eligibility and benefits verification during scheduling or pre-registration. In payment patient options, you could have flexible billing, payment portals, automated reminders, and customized payment plans to improve collection. And in analytics and reporting, you could have KPI dashboards and reporting tools to monitor revenue cycle performance, identify trends, and adjust strategies. So that's how you identify various RCM features of what is important to you based on your needs. Then you need to consider scalability and customization. The right RCM software should be adaptable to your organization needs as the organization and its needs evolve over a period of time. Ensure that the system can handle increased patient volumes and accommodate future growth without performance issues. Opt for software that allow you to customize workflows, reports, and user interfaces to meet specific department needs. Then you need to assess ease of use and support. Select a system that is user friendly with robust training and support options. The software should have an intuitive interface, user friendly interface that minimizes training time and enhances productivity for your staff. Look for vendor with a strong reputation for customer service, training resources, and accessible support channels to help with implementation and troubleshooting. So evaluate on ease of use and support that you will get. Request for a demo to see how the software handles real-time processes and interacts with EHR. Uh, Also look at the quality of reporting features and how it seamlessly integrates with your EHR. Ask for some case studies. Research vendor reviews, case studies, and customer references. A vendor with healthcare expertise and a reliable track record is important and essential. Calculate ROI and long-term value. Consider both short and long-term financial and operational benefits of the RCM software. Project the cost savings and revenue gains the software could bring through improved claim acceptance rates, faster reimbursements, and reduced denial rates, and improved stat payments. Factor in upfront and costs and maintenance in implementation, including staff training, ongoing support, and additional modules. So calculate ROIs and the long-term value. Once the software is implemented, closely monitor RCM metrics to evaluate its impact on your revenue cycle goal. And there you could need to consider various KPIs, and you need to set benchmarks for these KPIs that we have been talking, like days in accounts receivable, first pass resolution rate, denial rate, patient collection rate, and regularly review these metrics that can help you ensure that the new RCM system continues to support your organization's financial and operational goals effectively. So, having looked at how to implement and what kind of software to implement in RCM, you will now look at how to use AI and machine learning to leverage technology for automation and efficiency to become a master in revenue cycle management excellence. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on leveraging technology for automation and efficiency. I hope you continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.